Good morning and welcome back to the 14U Atlantic Championships here at the Canada Games Centre. This is your third game for the day here on this wonderful Saturday. And playing this game here is the Armview Storm versus the Bedford Blizzard team. The Storm team played on this court yesterday, and we saw the Bedford Blizzard team this morning. They're going to get started right away here. And the referee is just going to make sure that the lineups are accurate. And then we'll get on our way. It looks like the lineups are checked, and starting us off on the Storm side is number 10, Brooke Hines, with the serve. And there is a swing in the middle from Natalini, and that is going to score for the Blizzard side, 1-0 here in the early goings of the first set. Back to serve here now from the Blizzard side is number 6, Sigian. Jump float. That ball is passed over. And there's Natalini in the middle again, and that is going to be a kill for Natalini. Great job from the Blizzards starting off with some good offense. Back to serve once again here for the Blizz side is number 6, Abby Seguin. Jump float. And there is a service ace for the Blizzard team, 3-0. Seguin with the serve. Jump float. And that one is going to float out of bounds. Point going to the Storm. Back to serve here on the Storm side now is number 1, Alyssa Perry. Perry with the serve. That one just hitting the top of the tape, going into the net. Point, Bedford Blizzard. Now back to serve on the Blizzard side is number 20, Allie Doran. Doran with the float serve. And that is a tough float there from Doran. Point going to Blizz. Doran serving again. And that is a service ace for Doran. Point Blizz. Doran with the serve. And that is a tough float. Once again, it's going to be a service ace. Putting some heat behind that serve. Doran back to serve. That ball is passed up by Perry. And a free ball coming over from Gilmore. And there is a save there from Parley. Storm looking to attack that ball. That's Hannah Haptic. And that point is going to go to the Blizz side. Serving once again here is number 20, Allie Doran. Doran with the serve. And that is a service ace. Point Blizz. 9-1 here in the early goings of the first set. Doran with a serving run of her own here. Here she is again with the serve. And that one is going to spin out of bounds, point going to the Storm. Back to serve on the Storm side now is number 8, Hannah Haptic. That serve is in, Doran with the pass. Free ball coming over from Schollard. Perry with the dig, Haptic with the touch, but that is going to score for the Blizz side as it goes out of bounds. Back to serve here now is number 12, Alessandra Natalini. Natalini with a tough serve, Perry with a great pass. And a good hustle there from Storm's players. Point going to Blizz. Serving once again here is number 12, Natalini. And that is a service ace for Natalini. (12-2) here for the Blizzard team. Natalini with the serve. And that ball is up, but just a little bit too low for a second contact. Point Blizzard. We are going to get a timeout call here from the Armview Storm head coach, as the Blizzard has a pretty big lead here in the first set. On your screen there is the Storm huddle. Now we are going to be here all day webcasting all this exciting volleyball action for you, and Bell Alliant TV1 is proud to be the official webcaster for the 2016 U14 Atlantic Volleyball Championships from the Canada Game Centre in Halifax, Nova Scotia. Bell Alliant, there's more to love with fiber op. Both teams are back on the court, and Natalini is going to go back to serve once again for the Blizzard team. And that ball is passed up by Gilmore. Free ball over, and that free ball is deep and is going to score for the Storm side. Point Storm. Now back to serve here for the Armview Storm is number 11, Claire Gilmore. Gilmore with a tough float, that just hitting the top of the net. Point going to Blizzard. Back to serve for the Blizzard team is Gabby Schollard. Schollard with the serve. And that ball is passed up by Haptic. And she's going to send the free ball over short, and that is going to work. Armview Storm with the point from the sneaky free ball. Back to serve here now is Nia Garden. Garden with the float serve. Doran with the pass. Taking that second is Natalini, and what a big swing there from Seguin in the left, but that is out of bounds. Point going to Storm. So still serving for them once again here is number 5, Nia Garden. Garden with the floater. Doran with the pass. It is an overbump received by Storm. And there is a swing from Storm's McIntosh. And a free ball coming over from Blizz, but a little miscommunication. That point is going to go to the Storm team. Back to serve here now is number 5, once again, Nia Garden, on a little serving run of her own. Float serve. Passed up by Doran. Left to Seguin. Seguin with a swing left, and there is a touch on that. That point is going to score for the Blizzard team, which means going back to serve now is going to be number 1, Madison Parley. Parley with the serve. And that ball is up and over. Blizzard setting the middle, and there is a nice touch there by Garden. Garden putting that free ball over just short into the net, but not without some great defensive effort. And a nice swing from Blizzard's Madison Hill. Parley back to serve. And there is a touch there from Gilmore, but that is a service ace for Parley. Looks like we're going to get a substitution into the match. Coming in on the Blizzard side is number 9, Emma Mckenzie, and she's coming in for Alessandra Natalini. Parley with the serve. And it is a service ace for Parley. Blizzard point. Serving again here is Parley. And a service ace, deep 6. Clever spot between the two serve receivers. Parley back to serve. And that one is just going to go short into the net. Point going to Storm. Back to serve here now is number 2, Audrey McIntosh. But we've got a substitution here on the Blizzard side. Coming into the match is 14, Coleman, coming in for number 1, Parley. And that ball going into the net, point Blizzard. And there is a serve from Hill. Haptic looking to roll that ball over, just hitting the top of the tape, point Blizzard. Serving again here is Hill. And that ball dropping between two players. Service ace for the Blizzard side. Short serve. Great touch there by Garden. Blizzard keeping that ball alive. Garden looking to put that free ball over, but it is just out of bounds. Point Blizzard. Still serving here for the Blizzard side is number 10, Madison Hill. And that one is short. Garden with the receive. And a swing in the middle from Mackenzie. And a good save there from Perry. That ball dug up by Coleman. Doran with the swing. Free ball over from Storm. That ball passed up. And a right side swing there from Seguin. A big dig from McIntosh. And that is going to be just tight. Point going to Blizzard. But great job from both sides on defense and offense. 24-7 here. This is the potential set point for the Blizzard side, and going back to serve for their team is number 10, Madison Hill. Hill with the serve. Perry with the set. Haptic with the swing, and that is a kill. Point going to Armview Storm. Back to serve here now on the Storm side is number 10, Brooke Hines. Hines with the serve. And that is a service ace for Hines. Here she is again on the Storm side, looking for another ace. Hines with the serve. Hill with the pass. That ball out left to Doran. Doran with the swing from the left. And a tip over there from Gilmore. And a swing in the middle from Mackenzie, dug up by McIntosh. Perry with the free ball. Tip there from Seguin. Perry with the set. Gilmore with the swing. It's going out left to Doran. Doran with a big rip, but that is going to be out of bounds. Great job from both attackers on the Storm and Blizzard side. Still serving here is number 10, Brooke Hines. Hines with the serve. That ball is passed up by Coleman. And there is a swing in the middle from Mckenzie, and that is going to do it. Point Blizzard, 25-10 here in the first set. They are up 1-0. Both teams are going to switch sides, and we'll be right back with set number 2. Welcome back to set 2. Both teams taking the court right now. The Blizzard team versus the Armview Storm. This is your second set here at the 14U Atlantic Volleyball Championships in the power pool play. This is your third match of the day. And the referee is just getting the lineups, and she's going to check them out, and we're going to get started right away. Well, folks, we've had some fun on Twitter this morning. We had a player with her superhero socks, and there's lots of action on Twitter this morning from that. But make sure to tweet at me at RAEESALALANI. I would love to hear from you. Tell me who you're cheering for, or I can give you a shout out on the air. We're going to start right away here. Blizzard's ready to serve, and here is number 1, Madison Parley. Parley with the serve, and that is a service ace. Point Blizzard. Parley with another service ace. Point Blizzard. Here she is again, Parley. Service ace for Parley. Too much heat to handle. 3 aces in a row. Here she is, back to serve. And there is a big serve there. And yes, that ball did just hit the camera. That was the little shake. Because Parley's got an arm on her and she hits a mean serve. Here she is again. And that one is going to be called out of bounds by the linesman. Point going to the Storm. Back to serve here now is number 7, Molly Dempsey. Dempsey with the serve. That ball is passed up. Parley out left, and there is a big swing down the line from number 12, Alessandra Natalini. And going back to serve now is number 15, Noelle Temiklis. Float serve. And that is just going to drop in front of the player. Point Blizzard. Once again, here she is, Temiklis with the serve. And that ball is passed up beautifully by Dempsey. Free ball coming over from Storm. Temiklis with a dig. Parley out left. Swung at by Coleman. Dug up by Mahatsik. Dump. Another dump. And that ball is still alive. Storm keeping it alive. Parley with a swing down the line. Mahatsik with another beautiful dig. Parley with a dig. And in the middle, there is a tip from Mackenzie. Point Blizzard. But what a great fight from both sides. Temiklis with the serve. And that is going to be a service ace, just dropping short in front of the serve receiver. And that one is just going to go short for her point, Storm. Back to serve there is Landry. And that ball is going to go into the net. Point Storm. Serving once again here is number 12, Morgan Landry. Landry with a short serve, and that is going to score. Service ace for Armview Storm. Landry back to serve again. That ball has a little spin on it, but it works. Storm keeping that ball alive. Natalini with the set, Parley with the swing, and what a shot there cross court for Parley. Point Blizzard. Going back to serve now for the Blizzard side is number 9, Emma Mckenzie. Mckenzie with the serve. That one going short into the net. Point Storm. It is a back and forth serving battle here. A little ping pong effect with these serves. Back to serve here on the Storm side is number 3, Abby Mitchell. Mitchell with the serve. That ball is passed up by Parley. And a big swing from the left from number 14, Anna Coleman. A great touch there from Dempsey on defense, but too much heat to handle. Natalini back to serve. And there's a big serve, but a big pass from Dempsey, trying to play that off the net, but it just fell. Point Blizzard. Natalini with the serve, that one going into the net. Point Storm. Back to serve here for the Storm side, Josie Bright. That ball is passed up Natalini in the middle. There's Merrick with the swing, and that ball is going to score. Point Blizzard. And there is a swing from number 4, Jenkins, and she's gonna score for Armview Storm. Serving here is number 8, Hannah Haptic. That ball is passed up, set out left. And there is a swing down the line from Tmiklis. Free ball coming over from Jenkins. And a good try and save there from Parley, but that ball is going to be a Storm ball. And Mahatzik with the serve here. That ball is passed up a little tight. Parley looking to dump it, but it is too tight to the net. Point Storm. The Storm are coming back into this second set here, slowly but surely, with some great serves. Here is Hannah Mahatzik. That ball is passed up by Mackenzie. And a swing in the middle from number 16, Tara Merrick, and she is going to kill that ball in 6. Back to serve now is Merrick. Merrick with the float serve, pass up by Mahatzik, and a little bit tight there for Molly Dempsey. Point going to Blizzard. Back to serve once again here is Merrick. And that is a service ace for the Blizz team. Back to serve here is Merrick. And there is a free ball. Another free ball coming over. And that ball is tracked out of bounds. Point going to Blizzard. Serving once again here is Merrick. That ball is passed up by Mahatzik. Set up by Dempsey. Free ball over, and the free ball is going to score for the Armview Storm. Going back to serve on the Storm side here is number 4, Jillian Jenkins. Jenkins with the serve. And there is a free ball coming over from Mckenzie. And a free ball from Storm taken by Parley. Tmiklis with the free ball herself, and that is in the court. Point going to Blizz. Parley back to serve. And there is a nice float serve from Parley with a lot of pace and some good float service ace. Parley again. And that one squeaking over the tape, dropping down. That is going to be a service ace. And another serve there. That one is going to be called out of bounds by the linesman. Point going to Storm. Back to serve here now is number 7, Molly Dempsey. That ball is passed up by Natalini. Free ball coming over from the middle. And another free ball coming over from Storm. And that ball is inbounds, Storm point. And there is a big serve there from Dempsey. And Natalini on the left, putting some topspin on that ball and hitting it down. Looks like we're going to get a substitution on the Blizzard side. Coming into the match here is number 2, Gabby Scollard, and she's taking out number 14, Anna Coleman. Back to serve now here is Noelle Timiclis. That ball is passed up and over. Blizzard trying to play it off the net, but it is going to hit the ground. Serving for the Storm here is number 12, Morgan Landry. Landry with the serve. Is passed over. And a good block there from Mackenzie. We're going to see a carry call there from the referee on the Storm side, point Blizzard. Going back to serve now is number 9, Emma Mckenzie. Mackenzie with a serve. It's going to squeak over the net. A chicken wing to save it. And there is a point there for number 16, Tara Merrick. Back to serve here now is Emma Mckenzie. Mckenzie with a spin serve, and it is going to dribble over the tape. Not much you can do there. Good and lucky serve there for Mackenzie. She's going to get that service ace, and she's going to go back to serve. Mackenzie with the serve. And that is going to be a service ace. 24-13 here in the second set. This is a potential game point for the Blizzard as they are up 1-0. There's a serve, and it is going to be over and out. Point to Blizzard, 25-13 here in your second set. And there you have it, folks. Game 3 of the day complete. Don't you fret, we're going to be right back. A quick warm-up coming onto the court, and we will see you on the other side.